Alright, so today we're going to figure out how to jack up the G70. I like jacking up on the frame and the diff, and the car is completely covered by plastic, so got to remove some of it. Let's see what we got. So I have the car up on wood right now, but all this plastic has to come off. So there's that screw, there's a nut right there, a screw right there, this plastic screw right here you can do by hand, and a screw there, and a screw there. Once all these screws are out, you can see the frame.
Oh shit! Here come Debo, give me your stuff.
Oh shit! Ooh, damn!
What's up, Smoke?
Nine,
What you got on my drink?
nine.
With those screws out, you can see the frame, and then I'm gonna jack up on the frame side by side, and also put my jack stands on the frame. So with that off, it's gonna look like this. So you can see here, full frame, and I'll use that to jack the car up and to put the jack stands on once I get these screws out. Yeah. All right, so with this cover off, the frame is exposed. So I jacked it up on each side on the frames. I got a jack stand here on that frame, jack stand there on that frame, jack there for safety. I got the jacks in the back right below the rear stud frame. So there, I have them here. So that way it should be at a point to where it won't pivot from the suspension. It should be right under that bolt. That way they're straight up, don't kiss your plastic. I don't have the rear really up, as you can see. All the work is in the front. So the back is barely up because we're working on the front. So we're doing the oil change and then a IMR secondary cat delete pipe.